Okay, we're going to look at the third feature of Adobe Firefly, and it's called recolor vectors. So vectors are artwork that no matter what scale you have the graphic at, it will maintain the quality. So let's click on generate, and you can see the first thing it wants you to do is to upload an SVG file. And I'll tell you, I didn't have an SVG available. I'm not a vector art creator. Maybe you're in the same boat, so what do? Well, we have another tool. It's called Adobe Express, and this is included as part of the Adobe Creative Cloud. So actually, I'm gonna convert an existing artwork that I created with Firefly to an SVG. So we click on plus, we're gonna click on convert to SVG. I'm gonna choose one of the images I created with Adobe Firefly. Let's just go to list. I'm gonna choose this co-work space at the beach. So you can see here it's mixing some art and science. It's doing its thing. So now we'll have a vector to use with Adobe Firefly. And Adobe Express is it's an awesome tool. It's like Canva, but it's made by Adobe, and I think it's they're supporting it really well and just keep adding features. Great for thumbnails, blog posts, YouTube artwork, online course artwork, marketing, etc. Okay, I'm back on Adobe Firefly and I'm clicking on Upload SVG. So I can see the SVG that I created with Adobe Express. It's uploading, and now I have to describe the color palette that I want. And I'm not really sure. I'm just going to click earthy. I'm going to click beach tones. Let's see what we get. We have some sample prompts here on the right hand side. Oh, this one's pretty nice. Okay, so we can copy a clipboard, we can download, and we can see the prominent colors. We can shuffle them, get a different look. Okay, that's interesting. I like this one here. I'm gonna download that. Now let's see what we get if we choose Terracotta Desert, one of these sample prompts. Oh, very nice. So this is, if we wanted to create a painting, something that you hang up in a room or co-work space, I think this would make a pretty good artwork if you printed it out or put it on a canvas. Maybe this one is not quite doing it, so I'm going to use trippy disco lights. Very colorful. Okay, and we have the option to change the harmony. So let's try a triad. Interesting. Let's go back to default. So I think we did pretty well. So these downloads, let's just take a look at them. They create us another SVG file. So there we go. That's an example of how we can use the recolor vectors in Adobe Firefly.